Good morning, children. Children, today we will talk about method number 2 of LCM. Earlier we talked about method number 1 of LCM, that was the listing method. Now today is method number 2, that is common division method. Now children, as the name suggests, we will take out the common number out in the division by dividing the numbers. How? In this method, divide the numbers together. We are going to divide the number all together with the smallest prime number. I hope all of you remember what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible either by 1 or by itself. Okay, so those are the prime numbers. So we are going to divide the numbers from starting from the smallest prime number. That means we are going to start with 2. Now next line says that if any number is not divisible by that prime number, the number is brought down as it is. Now what does it mean? Let us take an example. Suppose we are taking out the LCM of 2 and 8. So we will write like this, 2 and 8 together, and now we will find the common number by common prime number which can divide both the numbers, if not both, at least one. So here we will divide the number by 2 first, because 2 is the smallest prime number, and children, you all know that 2 is the only even number that is prime. So we will start with 2. 2 will go how many times? 1 time. 2 ones are, and 2 will go how many times? 4s are. Okay, now we will not divide this number by 4. No, 4 is not a prime number, so we will not divide it by 4. Again we will divide it by 2. Okay, 2 will come down as it is, and then again 2 2s are. Now it says continue dividing the numbers by the next smallest number till you get all the ones. Till you get all the one means till you get all the ones. Here I will tell you how. Now it's 1 and 2. Again 2 ones are and 1. So here we got all the ones together. Can you see this? 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 we divided both together. We got 1, 2 ones are 2 and 2. Oh shit. And 2 4s are 8. So now we got 4, and the next line, we have got 1, but there is only one 1. We want all the ones at last. So what are we going to do? We will continue dividing the number by the next smallest number, but we are not going to add next smallest number. Why? Because this number is still divisible by 2. So we will keep dividing the number if the number is divisible by 2. Children, for example, I will tell you all the even numbers are divisible by 2. So don't try another number, keep dividing the number by 2 only. If you get any number other than which is not divisible by 2, then you go to 3. If not 3, then only switch to 5. Don't directly switch to 5. If the number is, suppose if it is 15 here, don't directly divide the number by 15. It has to be divisible by 3. Then only it will be 5 will come. Okay. Now you got. Now what will you write here? Now children, as I say, that product of all the prime numbers together. So children, product of all the prime numbers is the LCM. That's the common division number. So let us take out now LCM of 2 and 8 is, we are going to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 like this. Right here, 2 into 2 into 2. So how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3. So either you can write 2 to the power of 3, or you can write 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8. So what we will get? 8. So 8 is the LCM of 2 and 8. Okay, 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. Now let us take another example of 3 numbers. Suppose 25, 15 and say 30. Okay, I'll draw the line like this. Okay, there is little ups and downs, but don't worry. So if now I'll try to divide it by the first smallest prime number, that is 2. If any of the one number is divisible by 2, we will surely divide it by 2. So 25 doesn't come in the table of 2, it's an odd number, again it is an odd number, but yes, 30. Though 30 comes in the table of 3 also and 5 also, but still we will divide the number by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So I will start by 2. So here 25 is not divisible by 2, so 25 will come down as it is. I told you up, if any number is not divisible by that prime number, if any number is not divisible by that prime number, the number is brought down as it is. The number is brought down as it is. I have brought down this number as it is. Now coming to 15. 15 is again not divisible by 2. So again the number is brought down as it is. But here 30. 30 is divisible by 2. That means 2 will go 2 ones are 2. 1 carry here, 1 goes here, 1, 2 5s are 10. You can do it this way also. Or in the short way, 2 15s are 30. But if you want to take out single, you can say 2 1s are 2 and 1 comes here, 2 5s are 10. But to make it simple, let's take 2 15s are 30. Now let us divide this number by 2 again. So none of the number is comes in the table of 2. So we are not going to divide this number by 2. The next smallest number just after 2 is, continue dividing the number by the next smallest prime number. Continue dividing the numbers by the next smallest prime number till you get all the ones. So now 2 is cancelled. Now we will try 3. Let us see if 3 comes. Yes, 15 comes in the table of 3. Though 5 in the table of 5 also 15 come, but as I told you in this one, in this example, we will do, I will show you here. 3. Okay. 25 doesn't come in the table of 3, so 25 will come down as it is, as I have told you again. If any number is not divisible by that number, if any number is not divisible by that number, the number is brought down as it is. I have brought down this number. Now 15, 3 5s are 15, yes, and again 3 5s are 15. Alright, now we will see that whether this number comes in the table of 5 or not, sorry 3 or not. So 25 doesn't come in the table of 3. 5 no, 5 no, 5 is a prime number, children. Okay, it comes either in the table of itself, or it is divisible either by itself or by 1. So let us take this 5 here. 5 will go how many times? Correct, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 1s are and 5 1s are. Now again I will draw this line here. Children, please don't judge me, I don't have a scale right now. Okay, so now we have 2 ones, we just need one more. So now children, we have got 5 here, so we know this 5 is a prime number. So prime number, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers either divisible by itself or by 1. So I will write 5 here, and 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and 1 are brought down as it is, because it has been done. So that's it, we got the LCM. Now product of all the numbers, as I said. Now we will take out the number 2, 3, 5 and 5. So 2, we will multiply all the numbers, right? We will start from here, from the top, 1 2 3 4, we will go in this way. in an ascending order. You remember the ascending order? Smaller to bigger, smaller to bigger to bigger to biggest. Sorry, smaller to bigger, and then both are biggest. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So what will you get the answer? What will you get the answer? 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 35s are, yes, 5 5, sorry, we'll start again. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150. How will you say? 3 5s are 15 and then 0. So the answer is 150. So if I write at the last, let me change my pen. LCM of, what was the question? Okay, 25, 15 and 30 is, children, you will write is, not are, because there will be only one number. Okay, 150. Okay, so this is the way how you will take out the LCM by common division method. I hope this video has solved the purpose.